The DJI Flip is absolutely worth buying if you want a compact drone that still delivers professional level footage. If you are curious about the latest price of this drone, you can check it out from the description below. This drone starts strong with its under 249-gram design, which means you get more freedom to fly without worrying about extra registration hurdles. The 4K UHD camera with HDR, paired with a larger 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, gives this small drone the kind of image quality people normally expect from bigger, bulkier models. The RC2 screen remote is also a major plus: bright, responsive, and far better than flying with a phone in harsh sunlight. While its lightweight build makes it incredibly travel-friendly, it does come with the usual limitation of mini drones: strong winds can affect stability more than heavier models. That said, the 3-axis gimbal and improved O4 transmission help offset this by keeping your shots smooth and maintaining a clear video feed up to impressive distances. The smart tracking modes work reliably for hiking, biking, or just capturing everyday moments without needing a second operator. Full coverage propeller guards also make flying safer, especially in tighter spaces or around beginners. The 31-minute maximum flight time is solid for its size, though having a second battery would make longer shoots easier. Overall, the DJI Flip hits a sweet spot for people who want pro-looking footage without carrying a heavy drone bag. Its features make it fun for beginners and capable enough for content creators. If you want to see the current price or explore more details, make sure to check the link in the description below. It helps you decide quickly and confidently.